Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the trail.
It's Monday. Today I'm going back to the gym for the first time in a long time. Where is the light? Oh my gosh. All right, this should be all right. All right, let's try this out. So I have about an hour before I have to go to the gym. I'm going at 7 p.m. I just got off work, but I want to prep dinner now so that when I come back, I can just either eat, take a shower and eat and go to bed, or vice versa, or finish cooking. But I'm gonna try to cook as much as I can, prep as much as I can right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna do some chicken and some broccoli and a little potatoes. I might do scalloped potatoes, we'll see. Actually, I think I'm gonna do roasted potatoes. Roasted potatoes is way easier. It doesn't take much to do roasted potatoes, so I'll probably just do that. All right, so here are the potatoes. I think they have those nasty things on them. These little sprout things. When they have these, does that mean it's not good anymore? When these things happen, is this like, does it mean it's not good anymore? That looks so disgusting. That looks freaking disgusting. I don't even think I could use it even if I wanted to. It just looks so bad. Let me get my phone though. When can you no longer use a potato? Gotta Google everything. When do potatoes go bad? Are potatoes still good if they are sprouting? The answer is yes, as long as they're still fairly firm. Just remove the eyes and sprouts. And always remember, never eat those discarded sprouts. And concentrated, these sprouts make it unsafe for consumption. So the sprouts are fine, you just gotta cut them off, which is good because I really don't wanna eat rice because I'm going back to the gym today. So I'm trying to, you know, trying to make it make sense. So I'd rather eat like roasted potatoes than rice. So I'll just cut the sprouts off. That's what it said. All right, so got my pan. All right, so it says you can cut the sprout part off. So those are the sprout parts. It looks super disgusting. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to do this. Let me just try, because I really, again, don't want to eat the rice. Okay. Would y'all have eaten this and just cut off the sprouts? I've seen it done before, but it's just still driving me insane. I'm gonna cut it in little chunks, and then we're gonna wash them off really good. Ugh! This one is like the whole. Y'all, so I am all dressed. It is about to be 7 p.m. Oh, it just turned 7 p.m. and I'm just waiting on my friend Nasia to get here so we can go to the gym. Not sure if I should be recording because I don't want to get unserious and then I started recording and then yeah, so maybe not today because it's the first day back. But yeah, gym outfit, little pink top. I need to go shopping for more tops because a lot of the ones I have don't fit me like that. So this is like a little view of what I look like and what I want to fix. I definitely am going to be tackling my stomach a lot. I'm going to be purchasing a sweat belt very soon. I just have to find the right one. But all right, so I got my little pink socks. Once I start really being like when I'm 100% consistent and I can see like a bit of results, then I'm gonna buy myself like new workout shoes and like Gymshark clothes as a reward. Because I'm the type of person, I have to be motivated by something or like rewarded with something in order for me to like really be into something that's hard to stay consistent with. So for working out, that's going to be my goal. I want to buy some new workout clothes, but I'm not going to because I do have some now, and that'll be my reward if I stick to it. So I'm actually going to be starting this 4-week program, minimum 3 times a week, even though I have a busy schedule. But I did, like you guys saw, I already prepped dinner for today, so I don't have to cook tomorrow at all. That's the plan. I'm gonna try to stay as consistent as possible. Also, we are heading out. I'm gonna put my watch on to hit my goals. Oh my gosh, it came on mine too.
Stop it!
It did. Yeah, we took that on February 16th.
Girl.
2 years ago.
I hope you got some pre-workout.
I'm going back to sleep.
Well, that's what we...
No, it's just so I can buy my headphones.
Yes.
The AirPods fall out my ear. So I said, okay, well, in 4 weeks, if I do it every week, I'll buy it for myself. Why does it look like it's gonna rain? 15. So these people planned this. How are you gonna know? How do you know?
Rain for in 12 minutes for 15 minutes.
How do you know? Like,
They'll never know. How will they know? And cold. Sweat and cold. This is what you call dedication, though. So I'm proud of you. Because I was nicely gonna go to Crunch.
so somebody gave him. Show your legs again. Do it again.
Next step. Or you just stay still. Just stay still. So that's that. And so you see that.
Sweetie, she took off her belt. Okay. She doing it. She like, oh my girl, we know you sweating. We do. Yeah. Yeah. I would do. I think one. You can.
They're like, that was Valentine's Day coming up. We do have.
Oh my gosh, the ball.
I saw that too.
You're so dumb.
It's like, that was Valentine's Day coming